To replace the bypass tray feed rollers, open the spring hinge door located directly under the bypass tray on the right side of the printer. To replace the first feed roller, carefully push back and hold the black media sensor, then press down on the feed roller. Next, press the roller's locking tab outward and slide the roller off the plastic roller shaft. Once the first feed roller is removed, press down on the first feed roller's black roller shaft, then locate the white C-clip on the left end of the second feed roller. Carefully pull the C-clip off, then slide the roller off its metal shaft. To replace the third feed roller, detach the spring hinge door by pushing the tab on the right side and unhinging the right side of the door. Once the door is unhinged, locate the third feed roller. Detach the C-clip from the left side of the roller, then slide the feed roller off the metal roller shaft. Insert the replacement roller for the third feed roller and slide it onto the metal shaft. Attach the third roller's C-clip onto the end of the shaft, then reattach the spring hinge door. Next, press down on the first feed roller shaft and insert the replacement roller for the second feed roller. Slide the replacement roller onto the second roller shaft, then attach the C-clip to the end. Lastly, insert the replacement roller for the first feed roller. Carefully push back and hold the black media sensor. Slide the replacement roller onto the first roller shaft with the roller's locking tab on the left side. To replace the cassette feed rollers, open the right side cover of the printer and locate the first roller underneath the fuser. To replace the first roller, remove the white C-clip from the roller shaft and slide the roller off. Slide the replacement feed roller onto the roller shaft, attach the C-clip onto the end, then close the right side cover of the printer. To replace the second and third cassette feed rollers, completely remove tray 1 from the printer to gain access to the feed rollers inside. Remove the C-clip from the end of the metal roller shaft. Remove the white roller alignment piece. Then slide both rollers off. Insert the replacement rollers, sliding each onto their respective shafts. Reattach the white roller alignment piece onto the rollers then clip the C-clip onto the end of the metal shaft to secure the roller's position. Lastly, insert tray 1 back inside the printer, then power the printer back on.